This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Yaris battery. First, gather your essential tools, including a 10mm wrench, a battery terminal cleaner, and your new battery. Before starting, ensure your car is completely off and the parking brake is firmly engaged for safety. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect your hands and eyes from potential battery acid. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, let's disconnect the old battery. First, locate the negative terminal, which is usually marked with a minus sign and has a black cable. Use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut, then carefully remove the negative cable. Always remove the negative cable first to prevent any accidental electrical shorts. Next, find the positive terminal, marked with a plus sign and a red cable, and remove that cable. Finally, unfasten the battery hold-down clamp or strap. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray, remembering that car batteries are quite heavy. Take a moment to clean the battery tray and terminals thoroughly with your battery terminal cleaner to ensure good contact. Now, place your new battery securely into the clean tray. Reattach the battery hold-down clamp or strap, making sure it's tight enough to prevent movement. Finally, connect the positive cable first, then the negative cable, tightening both nuts firmly. After installing the new battery, perform a final check to ensure all connections are secure and the battery is stable in its tray. Then, start your Toyota Yaris to confirm that the new battery is working correctly and your car powers on without issues. For added longevity, consider applying an anti-corrosion spray to the battery terminals. And hey, if you're looking to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.